Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel The Cubing School, where I'll show you videos regarding this Rubik's Cube. And today we'll be learning the fourth and the last step of the advanced method CFOB, and the step is called PLL, which is also known as permuting the last layer. So how it basically works? So there are 6 algorithms in all, and the first one solves all the corners, and the last one solves all the edges. So that's what we're learning today. So as I said that there are 2 categories. The first one solves all the corners, and the second one solves all the edges. So there are 2 algorithms in all while solving the corners. So can you see that these 2 corner stickers are matching? No. Here, no. Here, no. And here too, also no. So if there are no colors matching, you can just align it, and now you can see that 2 corners are solved, and these 2 corners need to swap. So what you can do, hold it like this position on the solved positions, and now you can do here. Just memorize this thing. Just do an F, and now you'll insert this pair here, R, U prime, R prime, and now do a U prime, and now you'll take this pair out, R, U, R prime, and at last F prime. This was the first step of it. Now second step, take this pair out again, R, U, R prime, now U prime, and insert it with a sledgehammer, R prime, F, R, F prime. In this case the 2 colors are matching here, so you will put it on your left side, and now you will do here R, U, R prime, U prime, now R prime, F. Now insert this pair with an R2. Now insert this pair, U prime, R prime, and at last U prime. And now we'll take this pair out again, R, U, R prime, F prime. So these were the algorithms which solved all the corners. Now we're going to talk about the cases which solved all the edges. So there are 2 categories in this also. There are 4 algorithms in this. The first is that there are 2 algorithms of 3H cycle, and there are 2 algorithms of 4H cycle. So here you can see that one face is already solved. You will put it on your back. And now what is to the opposite side of green? It is blue. So this one needs to go here. Okay. So if the right face has the opposite sticker that needs to go here, this is known as 3H cycle number 1. So what you can do here, just do an R. Now take this pair out, take this pair out also, R, U, this pair also, R, U, and at last just remember this R, and now insert it back, U prime, R prime, U prime, and at last R2. So here too, this time this is the 3H cycle number 2, as the left side has a sticker which needs to go on its opposite side. So this is the sticker. Now you can do here L prime, and now take this pair out, take this pair out also, L prime, U prime, take this pair out also, L prime, U prime, and at last an L prime, and now insert it all back, U, L, U, L2. So these were the cases of 3H cycles. Now we are going to talk about the cases of 4H cycles. So here you can see that no face is solved, and all the stickers need to go on its opposite side. Like this one needs to go here, this one needs to go here, this one needs to come here, and this one needs to go there. Okay. So whenever you get the case like this, that all the stickers need to go on its opposite side, then this is known as the 4H cycle number 1. So what you can do here, just memorize this sequence very easily. M2 U prime, M2 U2, M2 U prime, N2. This is the 4H cycle number 2. This time the sticker needs to go from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. So whenever you get a case like this, this is the 4H cycle number 2. So what you can do here, M prime U prime. Just memorize this thing, and now do M2 U prime, M2 U prime, and at last memorize this thing also, M prime U2, M2 U. So these were the cases of 2-loop PLL, and now we can solve the whole sequence using the CFOB method. This was the series of beginner CFOB. So that I think you have memorized this thing. If you are having any problems, just comment to it me down in the comment box. And that was it for this video. Until the next video, bye bye. Until then, happy cubing. Stay home and stay safe.
Like a Hellcat.